Mahesh
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
As I told you in the previous classes,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
good morning everybody. Now nobody will disturb in between.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay. अब अगर इसके बाद किसी ने मुझे डिस्टर्ब किया, then I will remove you from the class. जैसे कि मैंने अभी एक बच्चे को क्लास से निकाला है, ठीक है? उपासना, म्यूट योर डिवाइस. कोई भी बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. Nobody will disturb in between. Nobody will unmute their mics. Okay? Just listen carefully and look at the board. Look at me and listen carefully. What I am going to talk here. What I will talk here. Okay? What I will explain. Just listen carefully. You need not to say any single word. Yes. So students, as I told you in the previous classes that we'll start some grammar topics which is very important for the exam, for the knowledge. Yes. So in this class, I am ready for the with the new chapter, new topic. It is countable and uncountable noun. Before that, I would like to tell you that we learned singular noun and plural noun. About singular noun and plural noun. Just show me thumbs up. Have you learned? Yes, singular and plural. So in this class, we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. There are different types of nouns. Okay, I will let you know. Yes. So before that, starting, let me introduce first what is noun. What is noun? Noun means the name of a person, place, or a thing. It is called noun. If here, if I will call the name of Mitali, then Mitali raise her hand. Okay? Yes, Mitali अपना हाथ ऐसे करेगी. Yes. Then Jatin.
Yes, sir.
No, just show me your palm. Show me your hand. Yes, like this. Kusum. Yes. Prachi. Yes, these are the names. In grammar, we can say it is a noun. It is a noun. So, what is the actual meaning of noun? Yes, the noun is the name of person, place, or
Noun is
thing.
the name of person, place,
Okay,
or
students. So, Icharani, you need not to say anything. Okay, just mute your device. So in this class, we are going to learn about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable, count means we can count into numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 fingers on one hand. I have 10 fingers. I have 10 toes. I have one nose, two eyes, two ears. Okay, which things we can count. All these nouns are called countable nouns. Okay, the nouns we can count, or which nouns we can count, all those are called countable nouns. And what about uncountable? Uncountable means we can't count some nouns. These nouns are called uncountable nouns. जिनको हम गिन सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 एंड सो ऑन, उन्हें काउंटेबल नाउन. और जिन चीजों को हम गिन नहीं सकते, वी कैन नॉट काउंट सम नाउन्स, all those nouns are called uncountable nouns. Understood, Sanvi? Show me thumbs up. Yes, very good. I am repeating this again. Listen, everybody. I will ask any question about that. So I will request you all, please listen carefully. Okay? Yes. Countable nouns means we can count some nouns. We can count some nouns. All those nouns are called countable nouns. Uncountable nouns, we cannot count some nouns. All those are called uncountable nouns. We can use them in plural. जो countable nouns है वो हम plural में बोल सकते हैं. जैसे one finger, many fingers. Okay, let's talk about particularly countable nouns. About countable nouns. Yes, countable nouns means what? We can count them. We can make its plural form. We can write its plural form, just like ear, ears, eye, eyes, boy, boys, girl, girls, fan, fans, table, tables, student, students. Like this way, we can write the plural form of countable noun. Is it clear? Is it clear? We can write plural form of countable nouns. हम countable nouns के plural form लिख सकते हैं. Hair, hairs. Mouse, mice. One computer, many computers. Like this way. हम कंप्यूटर काउंट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे 5 कंप्यूटर है. Then we can say there are 5 computers. Okay, so we can make or we can write the plural form of countable nouns, and we use a or an with the countable noun. We can use a or an with the countable nouns means singular. जब प्लूरल फॉर्म होता है तब हम अ एंड नहीं यूज करते. विथ सिंगुलर हम क्या करते हैं? अ और एन यूज करते हैं. ओके, जो कि आर्टिकल है. अ एंड एन. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? ओनली 3 थिंग्स आई हैव मेंशन हियर. आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस अगेन. लिसन एवरीबडी. About countable nouns, the nouns which we can count are called countable nouns. The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns. Another one, we can use them in plural. We can write its plural form. We can write its plural form. And the third one is we use a or an with its singular form of countable noun. Understood? There are 3 important things. I am going to write on the board. Just check it out and note it down in your copy without wasting time. Okay? Countable noun. Yes, write fastly in your copy. Write fastly in your copy. It means लिखना है. Countable noun. Ahania, mute your device. We can count them. Second important sentence about this. Second sentence about this, we use them in the plural. And the third, we use a or an with the singular.
मैं सर ये जो काउंटेबल नाउन वाले हैं उनके नीचे हमें लाइन खींचनी है क्या?
मैंने ऐसे कुछ लिखा है? Who is asking me this? जैसे मैंने लिखा है वैसे ही आप भी लिखेंगे. That's simple. Okay, it is so simple. Just follow the instructions of your teacher. Countable noun, we can count them. We use them in the plural. We use a or an. Just put here single inverted comma, a or an with singular.
Then sir.
Answer Shriyanshi.
Then sir Lalita.
Okay, Shreyanshi, read all these 3 points.
Then sir.
Shreyanshi,
Sir.
yes, read all these 3 points.
Then sir.
Only Shreyanshi will read.
We can count them. We use that in the play. Where we use a or an singular.
Okay, very good. We can count them. We use them in the plural and we use a or an with singular. Okay, so that's it. After this, we'll learn some examples of these countable nouns. Examples. Okay, some examples I am going to write here. Just check it out and note it down in your copy. Six dogs. 6 dogs. The dog is a countable noun. Dog is a countable noun, so we can count them easily. Just like 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs, 4 dogs, 5 dogs, and 6 dogs. So just like this way, here 6 dogs. This is an example of countable noun. Okay? Yeah. 10 pens. 2 ears. 5 books. 3 leaves. Okay, as you can see here, as I said, we use them in the plural. Countable nouns जो होते हैं उनको हम क्या करते हैं, जनरली प्लूरल फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं. As you can see here, dogs, pens, ears, books, leaves. Okay. 8 star.
Side, please.
9 dolls. One rose. One
Sir, side,
rose.
please. Side कीजिए. सर रोहिणी मेरा कीजिए.
आयशा, जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बोला था आपको कि आपको मोबाइल इस तरह से रखना है, लैंडस्केप मोड में। आपको मैंने कल भी समझाई थी ये बात कि आपको अपना मोबाइल ऑटो रोटेट ऑन करके इस तरह से रखना है जिसकी वजह से पूरा बोर्ड दिखाई देगा आपको। आप इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? कल भी आपको ही समझाया था मैंने, आज भी बता रहा हूँ।
सर साइड प्लीज.
घर में कोई अगर बड़ी दीदी बड़ा भाई हो तो उनसे करवा लो ये काम।
सर साइड प्लीज. डन सर इशिता.
आंसर
सर मेरा नहीं हुआ.
Yes.
डन सर ललिता मेघवाल.
Add some more examples here.
सर मेरा नहीं हुआ.
1, 2, 3,
सर साइड प्लीज.
4.
डन सर.
Legs.
सर मेरा नहीं हुआ.
7 trees. As you can see, all the nouns are in their plural form. Okay? So these are all countable nouns. We can count it easily. We can count them easily. We can count them easily. We use them in the plural. We use a or an with singular.
डन सर. डन सर. सर आपने क्या लिखा है? डन सर.
हर्ष मेहरा, मैंने ये बात अभी आयशा को समझाई थी। मोबाइल ऐसे रखिए अपना लैंडस्केप मोड में, और उसमें जो ऑटो रोटेट स्क्रीन ऑप्शन होता है वो ऑन कर दीजिए।
साइड प्लीज सर.
अब एक ही बात मुझे अलग अलग बच्चे को अलग अलग समझानी पड़ेगी। सभी बच्चे अपना मोबाइल फोन लैंडस्केप मोड में ही रखेंगे।
सर आपने फोर लाइट के बाद में क्या लिखा है?
कहाँ श्रेयांशी? ओके ओके ओके, टेक इट आउट। 4 dogs, 10 pens, 2 ears, 5 books, 3 leaves, 8 stars, 9 dolls, 1 rose, 4 legs, 7 trees. Okay?
डन सर. सर रोहिणी मीना डन. डन सर. प्लीज सर. डन सर. सर मेरा भी नहीं हुआ.
अब जो बातें कर रहे हैं ना उनसे सवाल पूछने वाला हूं मैं। Okay, I am going to revise this again about countable noun. Countable noun means we can count them. Those nouns which we can count easily are called countable nouns. Generally, we can count them. We use them in the plural form. We use a or an with its singular. Some examples I have written here. As you can see, 6 dogs, 10 pens, 2 ears, 5 books, 3 leaves, 8 stars, 9 dolls, 1 rose, 4 legs, and 7 trees. Understood? Okay. So you
सर
can
मेरा
add.
टाइम टेबल हट चुका है।
What happened? Upasana?
सर मेरा टाइम टेबल हट चुका है।
क्या हो चुका है?
टाइम टेबल जो था वो हट चुका है।
टाइम टेबल कहाँ से?
व्हाट्सएप से।
आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हो ना?
सर फिर व्हाट्सएप शुरू से ग्रुप बना है, इसलिए जो पुराना था वो हट चुका है।
उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते बेटा, है ना? Yes. So students, I hope you all understood this about countable noun. You can add your own examples here in this list. You can increase this list with by adding few more examples. Okay? Yes. Like you can write here 11 classrooms, 11 classrooms, 11 benches, 20 cars, 100 bats, okay, 200 balloons, 3 balloons, okay, like this way. You can write your own examples in this list. Understood?
Done,
Let me
sir.
know how many students are there. Yes, show me thumbs up. कितने बच्चों को समझ में आया अबाउट काउंटेबल नाउन? ओके, शायद दिया शर्मा को समझ में नहीं आया है। दिया शर्मा ने अभी थम्स अप नहीं दिखाया। दिया शर्मा,
यस सर।
आपको समझ में आया?
यस सर।
दिया शर्मा, नॉट रोहिणी मीना। ओके, दिया शर्मा आप बताइए काउंटेबल नाउन होते क्या है? काउंटेबल नाउन किसे कहेंगे? प्रदर्श त्रिवेदी, वेयर आर यू?
सर मैं बताऊं?
ओनली दिया शर्मा विल टेल मी। यस दिया, टेल मी अबाउट काउंटेबल नाउन्स।
सर प्लीज साइड प्लीज हो जा।
दिया शर्मा,
यस।
आप बताइए काउंटेबल नाउन किसे कहते हैं? टेल मी इन सिंपल हिंदी और इंग्लिश। In which language you feel comfortable, you can speak. Yes, दिया
यस सर।
बताइए। इसका मतलब आपने ध्यान से नहीं सुना है।
सर जिनको हम काउंट कर सके।
Yes, रोहिणी मीना, unmute your device. रोहिणी, what is countable noun?
सर मैं बताऊं? सर काउंटेबल नाउन।
Yes,
सर जिसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं।
yes, जिस नाउन को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उसे काउंटेबल नाउन कहते हैं। Okay, Yes, we can count them. Okay. As I said at the beginning of the class,
उसके बाद
which
और
noun we
करवाएंगे.
can count easily. It is called countable noun. We
आप और
use its
करवाएंगे.
plural form and we use a or an with its singular. Okay. So examples are here on the board. Hope you all understand this. Okay. So let's discuss another point.
Sir.
Shall I rub this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
तुम नहाए? मैं भी नहीं नहाई. हाँ, अभी जब मेरी क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी तब हम दोनों नहा लेंगे.
Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means what? Some nouns are there which we cannot count. कुछ ऐसे भी nouns होते हैं जिन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते. We cannot count them. All those nouns are called uncountable nouns. We can't count them. We can't use them in plural form. हम उनका plural भी नहीं लिख सकते. They are always in singular form and we can't use. Prayasi, mute your device. San, mute your device. क्या हुआ शाश्वत?
आपका ये अनकाउंटेबल में सी छूट गया.
क्या हुआ?
सर आपका अनकाउंटेबल में सी छूट गया.
Okay. Uncountable noun. Okay. So uncountable noun means some nouns are there which we cannot count. All these nouns are called uncountable nouns. We cannot count them. We can't use them in their plural form. Diya Sharma, listen. Look at me. मेरी तरफ देखो. We can't use them in their plural form. They are always in singular form. And we can't use a or an with its or with them. Okay, I am going to write here. We cannot count them. We cannot count them. After this, we can't use or cannot use in plural. And we can't use a or an
Side, please, sir.
with them.
Done, sir.
First sentence I have written here, we cannot count them. We cannot use them in plural. We can't use a or an with them. हम वहां पे a और an नहीं लिख सकते. Okay? Examples I am going to write here, just check it out. Examples, just like oil,
hair,
milk, air,
rice,
water,
water, rice,
gold, salt,
rice,
Sir, here.
sir, hair.
okay students, like
Just
this way, oil, milk, air, water, gold, salt. You can add your own examples here, just like
Just start. Personage.
Sir, hair.
Side, please.
Sir, turn.
yes,
Or water.
Face.
Sugar. Sir, sugar.
yes, I am writing here ice,
Sir, sugar.
salt is there,
Sir, hair.
Sugar.
steel or sand,
Sir, salt.
salt, yes, oil, milk,
Sir,
air,
stars.
water, gold, salt, ice, sand, steel. Okay,
leaves.
yes,
Sir, leaves.
उसका प्लूरल
Sir,
फॉर्म नहीं लिख
side.
सकते प्रतीक हम, प्लूरल फॉर्म नहीं लिख सकते
Sir, leaf.
प्रतीक, प्रतीक पहले समझ लीजिए बेटा, ये 3 रूल जो है अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के लिए, वी कैन नॉट काउंट देम, हम गिन नहीं सकते, वी कैन नॉट यूज देम इन प्लूरल, हम उसका प्लूरल नहीं बना सकते या नहीं होता। ओके, अभी किसी ने बोला स्टार, स्टार को तो हम, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे स्टार बनाए, तो एक स्टार, मेनी स्टार्स। ओके, अगर यहाँ पे है 1 ऑयल, काउंट ही नहीं होता है, तो ऑयल्स कैसे कहेंगे हम, है ना? तो वी कैन नॉट राइट देम इन प्लूरल, हम उनका प्लूरल नहीं बना सकते। ओके, मिल्क, एयर, वाटर, गोल्ड, सॉल्ट, आइस, सैंड, स्टील।
Sir, silver.
The cloud.
Sir, land.
Silver.
Cloud.
Sir, cloud.
Sir, silver.
Sir, brown.
Yes,
The cloud.
sugar, sugar, soap,
Silver.
The cloud. The cloud.
okay,
Sir, hair. Sir, cloud.
Sir,
what इश्तरानी, सभी बच्चे एक साथ मत बोलिए प्लीज, सभी बच्चे जब एक साथ बोलते हैं, यस प्रतीक,
silver. Sir, sky
यस
and
सिल्वर, SILVER, सिल्वर,
sky and land.
सॉइल, वेरी गुड,
Sir, sky and land.
यस स्काई, लैंड।
Air. Sir, air.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स,
Sir, electricity. Sir, sky.
The cloud.